Hey guys, I'm Will.
And I'm Tyler. Now we're going to show you how to pair the Lexan GTX with the G2. To start, we'll power on the units by pressing and holding the power button.
Next, before pairing these two units together, we want to clear any previous paired settings.
To clear the pairing settings on the GTX, you would press and hold both volume buttons until the red LED flashes.
On the G2, you'll press the up arrow for about 7 seconds till the LED flashes red, and you get 3 beeps.
And next we'll place both of the units into pairing mode. To do that, press and hold the back intercom button for 2 seconds until the red LED flashes.
Typically, both of these units will automatically pair themselves. It takes about 12 seconds. 9. 7.
I won. Now you're paired.
To activate intercom, you will single click the intercom button on one but not both of the units. You will then get a flashing purple to confirm you have entered intercom pairing.
To cancel intercom, you would click the power button on one of the units.